Hello everyone, I'm Big Solo and welcome to this video tutorial. If you want to become online entrepreneur, being direct online investor, being a crypto trader, being a forex trader, or doing anything online to make money, this is the right channel for you because we are going to discover a lot of secrets that can help you to be at that top or to achieve that goal you want to achieve. Okay, in this video I am going to reveal to you 3 secrets that can help you to become who you want to become. If you have taken the decision to become an online investor, I can tell you for the fact that it is the best decision. I am 6 years experience of direct online investment and I do this full time for a living. If you have decided to become one of them, it's a great move, but 3 things you need to do to get to the top. And if you stay till the end of this video, you are going to know this because I am going to reveal to you. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you need to associate yourself with people who have years of experience in this industry. Personally, I am 6 years, so probably you can learn something from me. You can learn the do and the don't from me right now. Now, the second thing is that this platform are categorized into 2 parts. We have the decentralized platforms and the centralized platforms. Okay, I am going to teach you how these people operate. The decentralized one, they do their things in such a way that if you become an investor and you put your money in, you issue a withdrawal, you don't need a human being to approve your withdrawal. And those platforms are instant withdrawal platforms, okay, or companies. So those are decentralized. You put your money there, either they are paying you 1%, 2%, whatever percentage they are paying you on how they are paying you. When you issue a withdrawal from these platforms, it's instantly you are going to receive it. Those are decentralized, okay? And then the centralized platforms, you need a human being to be there to approve your withdrawal. The question is, these 2 things or these 2 platforms, which one is the most riskier? The decentralized one or the centralized one? Per my 7 years experience of this industry, I can tell you for the fact that the centralized platforms are the most riskier. Simple because you need a human being to be there to approve your withdrawal. This means the owner of the website, the company, can decide to pay you or not. This makes a centralized investment platform more riskier, and a lot of people have lost so much money in these kind of platforms. Okay, now another question is, which ones are the decentralized and which ones are the centralized? In my next video, I am going to be taking my time to explain to you one by one or step by step how you can identify the centralized platform and decentralized platform. If you like my video, just go subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell and become a member of this channel so that if I post any important video like this, you will be the first person to watch. In my next video, I am going to reveal to you all these secrets. Thank you for watching, and I want you to become a subscriber. Do this. Let's grow this channel together so that we can learn all the secrets, what people are doing to become successful in the industry, and how you can also become that. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.